Functions are the heart of JavaScript. If you don't understand them, you'll struggle with almost every project. But don't worry. In this beginner's guide, I'll break down functions step by step so they finally make sense. And hey, if you're learning JavaScript and want clear, practical tutorials every week, hit subscribe right now. In JavaScript, a function is a reusable block of code designed to perform a particular task. Functions help organize code, avoid repetition, and make programs easier to read and maintain. Function, keyword to declare a function. Function name is the name of the function used to call it. Parameters, inputs. The function can take. This is optional. Return sends a value back to where the function was called, also optional. To use or invoke a function, you call it by name with parentheses. Functions can accept input called parameters. Here, the parameter name lets me greet Alice or Bob with the same function. Function declarations. Also called function statements, these are defined using the function keyword. Function expressions. Functions assigned to variables. These can be named or anonymous. Arrow functions, a more concise syntax introduced in ES6. These do not have their own this, arguments, or super. Anonymous functions. Functions without a name, typically used as arguments to other functions. Named function expressions. This type of function have a name, used internally for recursion or debugging. Immediately invoked function expressions. Functions that are executed immediately after they are defined. Constructor functions. Functions used with the new keyword to create objects. Generator functions declared with an asterisk. These can pause execution with yield and resume later. Async functions, declared with the async keyword, always return a promise and allow use of await inside. Callback functions, functions passed as arguments to other functions. Quick question, are you learning JavaScript for fun or to get a developer job? Tell me in the comments. And if this is helping, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Functions don't just print things, they can also return values that you can use later. There are multiple ways to write functions. Here's a function expression. And here's an arrow function, shorter and super common in modern JavaScript. Good functions are always short, clear, and reusable. Give them meaningful names, keep them focused, and never repeat code. Now you know how to create, call, and use functions, plus arrow functions and best practices. If this video helped, hit subscribe right now. I post new JavaScript guides every week. And don't stop here. Click this video to see how I use functions to build a real project.